Welcome back. Now news from sports. Vasco Sports Club newly appointed coach cum manager Gavin Araujo believes his squad is a fine blend of experience and youthful exuberance. The Vasco-based club are currently preparing for the upcoming professional league season.
Vasco Sports Club missed promotion to the I-League by a narrow margin during last season's second division campaign. Thereafter, the Port City club went through a mini revolution of sorts, with former manager Gavin Araujo inducted as the new coach cum manager, replacing coach Subrato Bhattacharya. Vasco did away with their foreign players and most of their non-Goan players. The squad is now mainly made up of local players. Former Vasco left back Gavin supervised the training session at Talegaon on Saturday. Gavin is quite confident of the talent he has in the squad.
I have a lot of young players from 19 years to 25. Most of my players are below 25 years. But I have around 4 or 5 senior players around 30 years. But that is required, the proper combination of maturity with young talent. You need matured players in the midfield, in the center of the defense to control the game. And youngsters striking on the wings. So exactly, I think I have a good combination this year. Let's see how it works out.
What's Gavin Araujo style of coaching?
See, I idolize Mr. Armando Kula, so he is my idol. I've did my coaching license under him. All my training programs, how he deals with players, his man management, what he talks to the players, how he motivates his players, everything comes from him. And I think Vasco will play Dempo style this year. Everything what Dempo is doing, what Arman is doing to Dempo, I am putting in Vasco because he has done so well last 10 years. And I think more clubs should follow him because if he's done well, he's doing something right. I follow his training programs, his man management, everything.
Okay. Now, there was a lot of speculation in the transfer window season about Joy Ferrao, and I think it's a big achievement for Vasco to have retained striker Joy Ferrao, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big. We needed him to do well, and I think Armand have understood it why we needed him. We also wanted him because it was the right time for Joy to move to Dempos. But at the same time, Vasco would have struggled big time without him, and we don't have a striker to replace him.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Talegaon.
Akhilesh Desai from Porvorim has proved that Goa is full of talented children in the sports field. He recently returned from rope skipping World Cup held in England with a bronze medal. Akhilesh's achievement shows that Goa is not only rich in football talent, but any sport can bring glory to our state if the youngsters are identified and nurtured properly.
Akhilesh is a student of New Goa High School in Mapsa, and along with his family, he has done his school proud with this international medal winning feat. At the national level, Akhilesh has won 9 gold, 10 silver and 4 bronze medals. Akhilesh was participating for the first time at the World Cup along with the debutant India team. And the first time success has thrilled the boy as well as his family.
आम्ही फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट जातले म्हणून हांवें एक्सपेक्ट करूं नाशिल्लें आनी तरी पूण ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मेळ्ळें म्हणजे भरपूर बरी गोश्ट आसा.
ओवरऑल ते स्टँडर्ड कसो आशिल्लो रोप स्किपिंगाचो?
थंय सगळे जाण सामके बरें करताले.
आनी ओवरऑल तुका कितें टॅक्निकल गोश्टी नव्यो शिकपाक मेळ्ळ्यो रोप स्किपिंगांतल्यो?
हय, थंय आमी भरपूर बरे जे प्लेयर्स आशिल्ले, बरे टीम्स जशे की USA, कोरिया, तांच्यांनी आमकां भरपूर बऱ्यो गोश्टी शिकयल्यो. थंय हांगा इंडियेन फक्त 10 ते 12 प्रकार घेतले वता आनी थंय 970 इतले प्रकार जाता, म्हणजे इतलो डिफरन्स आसता थंयच्यान आनी हांगा भितर.
तूं इंडियन टिमी बरोबर गेलो थंय त्या टिमीन तूं एकटोच गोंयकार आशिल्लो. ओवरऑल तुका बाकीच्या भुरग्यां बरोबर रावता आसतना कितें एक्सपिरियन्स आयलो?
आतां प्रत्येक स्टेटींतल्यान वेगळे भुरगे आयिल्ले, तांच्या बरोबर रावन हांव शिकलो की एडजस्ट करपाक शिकलो हांव थंय तांच्या बरोबर रावपाक.
हांव बापूय म्हणून म्हाका ताजो प्रावड आसा. तशेंच हांव रोप स्किपींग जो आमच्या असोसिएशन ऑफ गोवा ताजो अध्यक्ष आसा, तशेंच जंप रोप फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियाचो हांव ट्रेजर आसा. ह्या नात्यान म्हाका खूब आनंद दिसता की म्हजे चल्यान घेतलेले म्हाका आनंद आसाच, पूण त्याच बरोबर आमच्या देशाक एक 6 जाणांनी, म्हणजे जसो अखिलेशान घेतले तशें महाराष्ट्रांतले आसा, तशें जे आसा गुजरातांतले आसा, हे सगळे जे आमचे जे भुरगे आसा तांच्यांनी अत्यंत बरे एक परफॉर्मन्स आमकां मेळोवन दिले.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Porvorim.
Nag Panchami is dedicated to worship Nagas or snakes. It is an important festival in the Shravan month. Nagas are worshipped in Hindu religion. Snakes depict Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. On this day, some Hindu communities fast during the day and eat food only after sunset. Have a look at some beautiful snakes. Take care and enjoy your weekend.